Hey, what is up, hello guys? Hi, it's Miguel and welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday, midterms is next week, and I decided I would start this vlog today specifically. I'm actually working on my anatomy discussion boards again, just like midterms. The only thing is this time around it's a cumulative exam, which I barely remember midterms coverage. Like, I did really well on that test, but like they have not stuck. I'm in the process of packing up, which is why my room's kind of a mess right now. I don't even want to get started on like my boxes situation that's right outside my door, but I move out on Friday, so I'm trying to multitask this week. I slept through every single alarm of mine this morning, but I'm finally up. It's 9:38. I don't know what I'm gonna do this morning. When sad, get boba. When stressed and sad, get the champion. Just for reference.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, hey, oh.
So it is now 9:09 and I am about halfway through. So I'm done with 13 and now I just have 14 to 27 left. So I have half an hour before my final, and it's kind of dark outside too. Not the most assuring thing of all things when you have an 8 a.m. final. So now that I'm out of that final, let me tell y'all what happened. So I think when my professor was like setting it up, she accidentally set it to lock like on April 14th, but not like open on the 19th at 8 a.m., which is when we're supposed to take it. So thank God for a class group me, because at least I knew that it wasn't just me. And you're like, okay, who's emailed her? Like, have you heard back and everything? And so it opened like I think 20 minutes later. My iPad is at 6%, so I'm taking that as a sign to take a quick break because I only have 3 left that I need to do anyway. And then I'm gonna grab dinner because it's now 8:45. I literally only have 2 questions left. It's 10:16 now, and I really don't want to do any of them, but I feel like I should at least get them done and then over with. Madaling sabi, I did not do those last 3 questions in anatomy just yet. I'm gonna try and get them done as soon as I finish my final tomorrow morning. So it is now a few minutes before 10. I'm gonna get up because I want to take my final pretty soon. It's still kind of like cloudy outside. Yeah, it's like really cloudy outside. I don't know what's up with that. I'm about to go in and take my final, and I'll see you guys right after. So I'm done with that final. It was pretty whack. I did not like it, but I only have one more. I'm finally turning in the last one. Now it's also a matter of going through the ones I've already submitted and have gotten feedback on to see what I need to correct to make sure I'm set up for as much success as possible for tomorrow's final. So I didn't have as many like corrections to make compared to midterms. The ones I highlighted were just the ones I turned in today, so I haven't seen any feedback from it just yet. But the ones that I did have corrections on, they were like very minimal. Like one of the things was me just having like a brain fog moment, I'm guessing, when I was doing that one, was me saying that the cochlea was in the middle ear. Everything else, even the ones that are kind of like took a while to do last night because they were kind of like confusing to me, apparently I did good on. So I only have 4 more quizzes to go back to, and then the midterm, but I feel like I need a break. because I feel like my fingers are like starting to like, not necessarily numb, but I feel like I've been using them so much that like I don't have as great control over them right now, and my legs feel like they're gonna fall off. So I'm gonna step away from my computer for a second and like stretch a little because I feel like I really just need it right now.
Marshmallow pancake. But like, look at the marshmallow. Look at the pancake. Tacos. Marshmallow tacos.
So it's currently 10:41 as we can see, and I have gone through all the pre-midterm discussion board questions we had, and then all the post-midterm discussion board questions we had. My professor hasn't given me feedback on the ones I submitted today, but that's kind of on me for waiting this long, so there's that. I've kind of also just gone through and studied all the previous quiz questions we've had, and then also the ones on the midterm. Okay, it's now 11:09. I'm not gonna get any other kind of studying done tonight, so I'm just not even gonna bother. I feel like the more I try to like study, the more I'm just gonna stress myself out, and it's not gonna be good. Like literally this right here is my mood. The smartest thing to eat less than an hour before my 3-hour final? Probably not. Okay, I literally just got a notification talking about how the assignment has been created. I don't like the nerves are building up. So it's 9:27. Just so that I don't stress myself out, I'm gonna not film any more clips between now and the start of my final, even though I like usually go like, okay, I'm about to start my final. No, we're not doing that today. I have enough nerves going on. I feel like that would just add to it. So the next time you see me will be after my final. We're hoping I'm not a crying mess when that comes around.
Like, maybe we should.
Look at her. I'm trying to not do it in like really small circles because I got really dizzy after.
Yeah, I'm like, make sure you don't heat loses.
It's all good.
Hans is calling you. You don't really say hi, so you say hey.
No.
I hope you're doing well. That's such a me thing to say.
So we're gonna check my grade and everything. This is scary. Did I even open the right one? Grade. Where is it? I got a 93.
Ooh, comes through.
So I realized that I have not updated. So final is over, done with. I ended up having to call people and stuff, and then I had a very late lunch / really early dinner with Kim and Anjali, and then I had gotten my grade while I was there. So you saw that clip of me. I got a 93. So that still puts me at the edge of an A. So I'm so glad. Like, I know I like try to be like, no, like numbers don't define me and everything, but when it's a grad school prerequisite, it kind of does. But yeah, so now that I'm back, I am gonna go into packing mode because this whole thing needs to be addressed tonight. Packed up now. We got a notification of an announcement from my professor saying the grades have been posted. She dropped her lowest quiz score and she added 5 points to the final because a lot of the questions were so ambiguous. Yes, ma'am. It is almost 2 in the morning. I feel like post-anatomy final brain is finally catching up with me. I feel like my head is just oof. It is now almost 10. I've been up for a while. I just haven't left bed yet. Just so that you kind of know what it's like when you're moving out. And it's not just you. So we have my side. And some of my roommate's stuff. Last Starbucks run with actual DB.
Dang, that's gonna be wild. What are we gonna do with ourselves?
Make our own coffee.
Coffee bar 2021.
She said rice cake.
It's midnight and I'm still nowhere near that.
1:30 a.m. chat. It's 8:20.
What time? We just dropped off our milky.
Ooh. 11:15 check. This is how it's looking. I just still have a charger plugged in. I'm gonna miss having this view though. 11:56 check. I've cleared out my bathroom now. Out here is still kind of a mess though. Okay, it's 12:33 and I'm just waiting for my aunt to get here. When I tell you, my legs feel like they're gonna fall off. Are you there? Sama kaget.
I'm just making sure.
I'm just now filming the outro, but I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what you think and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys in my next one.